Contracts help organizations manage their risks and resources. In traditionally managed projects, the most commonly used contract is a fixed-price contract. Fixed-price contracts aren't generally the best for Agile projects, as they assume a fixed scope. They also place risk on the team implementing the project because if the work ends up exceeding the estimate, or if requirements change, which they frequently do, the team has to bear that loss and still continue with the promised scope. Fixed-price contracts may also take focus away from what's best for the product and customer, and instead developers become bound by legal limitations that are no longer in the customer's best interest. In theory, a possible solution is for a contract to specify the overall business goals that a project team must enable a customer to meet, instead of specifying detailed technical requirements. However, this isn't always practical because in terms of legal requirements, business goals need to be defined in monetary terms, which can be difficult. So what types of contracts are suitable for Agile projects? You can use different contract types for each of the Agile development phases. So for example, in the initiation phase, you may use a service contract. Instead of measuring a specific deliverable like product development, a service contract may measure the time, cost, and materials spent on coming up with, for example, a roadmap or a story map within that project. The next phase, or the development phase, may be a series of fixed-price contracts for each iteration. Some variants on the fixed-price contract include fixed-range contracts and fixed-price per-user story. Cost reimbursable or time and materials contracts operate on a pay-as-you-use basis. So it's in the client's hands to decide whether or not to pay the team to spend more time or more resources on developing additional requirements, making changes or enhancements, or fixing issues. A not-to-exceed with fixed-fee contract can protect both the development team and the customer. It's made up of a fixed-fee base as well as a not-to-exceed condition. So it may be, for example, that our fixed fee base for this project is X dollars, and then the not-to-exceed condition is we will not exceed 15% of that base. An incentive contract can also be used and can motivate a development team by offering rewards for good performance. The types of incentive contracts include fixed price with incentive, cost reimbursable with award fee, percentage increase or decrease based on time, and a fixed-price user story with additional hourly rate. In summary, while regular fixed-price contracts are not suitable for Agile projects, many other types of contracts are. They include service contracts for the series of fixed-price contracts, cost reimbursable or time and materials contracts, not to exceed with fixed-fee contracts, and incentive contracts.